Hello everyone. I was just looking at the chart and I took a trade. Let me show you. This is the execution with micros. Pre-open, post-London lunch. From the minimum entry to the top, it's 22 points with some partials. Yeah, also let me show you why I took this. Okay, so I took also this one this morning, exactly almost exactly at the moment it turned. I also took a loss because I was stubborn looking for the long. The reason why I took this trade was there was a major disconnect between NQ and ES. So here is ES. So while ES took this high with strength, NQ was here, couldn't do it. It's like a major divergence. When this sort of, so the configuration of an NQ was completely different. Let me actually show you. So when ES managed to take this high, NQ was here. Let me show you. So at this peak, compared to this level, even higher compared to this one. Check the differences. So this is what you call a really major divergence. It does not happen often. And what this does is, what it means is that ES is an elephant, right? So ES is a gigantic beast that contains 500 companies. So if it moves up, it has a lot of momentum. And it has to carry the lighter index with it, right? So it's the US economy. So if the 500 companies are pulled up, tech companies, yes, there's only 100 of them. It's much more agile move, but it will sort of follow it. When this doesn't happen, it creates a tension, a gigantic tension to bring the two assets, the two indexes, back in sync. And I think there were news at 8:30. Yeah, PPI, right? So basically it was a pre-PPI. My trade was pre-PPI. Now I understand a lot about today. So this major divergence, what it means is that at one point, one of the two assets classes, one of the two indices, will need to get in sync so that they start again to move together, right? And it's a matter of timing, of course. It's a matter of timing. So one possible time, what time it is, 8 a.m., pre-news, makes sense. And I saw confirmation. I saw a sort of development of market structure that made sense that we would possibly move up. So if you look, ES had breached this high, created a new zone, had a retracement, and we would expect a continuation. While at the same time on NQ, let me just go to NQ. So on NQ, we had this major, so we would expect, yes, that it would do a retracement and move up. And in our case, the retracement, what happened, it was like, this was an area responsible for breaking this high, right? So if you consider that we had an area responsible for breaking that high, so zone high. I'm switching themes, so everything is in dark and black. So we breached it, the area that pushed price up, or even that pushed price above this wick, you can identify it at this zone. So this is an area that has some weight, let's say, where things happened. And there's also the origin of this move. There's a nice wick or breaker that was formed here. So price, we attempt one time to move above here, disconnect this SNDRs because there's a bug. There's one indicator that's not correct. So we move up. We try twice, 3 times to go for this high, fail, we break down. We come down and we do what we basically the AFOP full setup or SBS, which is we do a double tap in an origin zone or in SNDR. So in this case was the origin of this move or this SNDR, and we do a double bottom, right? So we take liquidity twice from this level. So that's the signature that price might be ready for the explosive move up, and we were waiting for this SMT or divergence to get back in sync. So I entered when we did a flip. I entered here. I didn't move the stop on purpose because that was really the level that if we breach this, then we will be bearish. So it's good that I didn't move it because it came very close to take me out. For once I didn't move it, and I took a few partials, you know, at 10 points, and then I had a partial here, and then I as I was messing up at the partials, it just took me out. I would have moved the target a bit higher. Executions can always be better. So PPI, it's not a surprise to me that it's for long this week. It's devilish, so it's good that we didn't take any trade. So anyway, this is like a small explanation of why I took this trade. I'm happy about it. I took it with just evaluations, just a combined from Top Step, because I've been trying to take high probability setups only after 10 a.m. with the funded accounts, unless the setup of London after 3:34 is very, very clean. So today I had this win, one loss, another win on this evaluation. Yesterday I did the max win on one evaluation, so today I'm close to make progress towards passing this combine. Let me pause here and come back when there's something to talk about. Maybe at the open, maybe I just, it's 8 minutes. Let's cut this video out, put it out as an explanation for this trade, and then we'll have the AM session something recorded. Actually, I think it's better. So then I'll tell you, say goodbye. I might make a new video explaining something that's happening with the indicator. I've created a website. I'm setting up the subscription platform for people interested in trying out the Pro version. Pro version has been tested by a very, very, very small number of people. The response has been very enthusiastic. I'll let you know more when it's ready. I don't have a date yet, and people have been asking when is this indicator going to be available. The free version is available, and you get most of the functionality. The only thing you don't get is the drawing of the supply and demand areas responsible, the origins, and some niceties were tracking which zones are mitigated and not. Which are what makes the Pro version the Pro version. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you maybe the video about the AM session, which is about to start now. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching.